So today was hike number 1 of 52 of the 52 hike challenge, and I've already done it. I was in a bit of a sour mood, I'm not gonna lie. I was in a bit of a sour mood when I first got here, so I didn't really feel like doing an introduction. I didn't feel like talking, and I decided to let the trail kind of work its magic on me, and it did. I'm in a much better mood now. So Paris Mountain State Park is not far at all from where I live. It's only about a 20-minute drive, which is so bizarre because you get here and you forget that you are right at the back door of a major city. For a trail called Mountain Creek Trail, I haven't seen the first drop of water, but the trail has been really nice and even, and it's not had a lot of elevation up or down, so far just a nice walk in the woods. Look at how these trees form an arch over the trail. That's pretty cool. See that? It's like it's welcoming you to some sort of wonderland. Okay, so we've only got about a mile left of this trail and I'm starving, and I'm probably gonna book it back to the shelter because our beautiful blue skies have turned gray and it is pretty cold. It's getting a little colder, so I think the rain is gonna start soon, and I didn't bring my umbrella with me today, so a shelter sounds like a good idea. All right, I'll see you in a bit. I gotta get something out of my car. We did 3 trails today. We did the Mountain Creek Trail, Lake Placid Loop, and Turtle Trail. I had never done these before, and I was like, the reason I decided to come here, aside from the fact that it's really close to my house, was I was going to start the 52 hike challenge and end all of my trails here at Paris Mountain, because these were the last 3 trails at Paris Mountain that I hadn't done yet, or so I thought. I did not realize that they had a brand new trail open up in August called the Sassafras Trail, and it's another 2 point something miles. So unfortunately, I'm going to leave here today with 1 trail left of this park that I have not yet done. But today we did, I think my GPS tracked it at exactly 4 miles. It'll be interesting to see what my Fitbit tracks it, because they usually don't line up. I hear a whole bunch of either hikers or mountain bikers coming through, so I'm going to take a pause for the cause. I'm going to have a snack and some water, and I'll come back to this in a bit.
1 eternity later.
Snack's been had. Drinking water. So a little bit about Paris Mountain. Paris Mountain is a monadnock or monadnock. I don't really know how you pronounce it. How do you pronounce it? Is it monadnock or monadnock? Thought I heard somebody behind me. Which means that the mountain rises up from flat land and isn't a part of any mountain range. So one of the things that I wanted to share with you, because this is the first hike of the 52 hike challenge, I decided I wanted to really document this stuff. I mean, obviously I'm documenting it and sharing it with you guys, but I wanted something just kind of for me. So my sister-in-law gave me this notebook, and it's a really simple little notebook. There's nothing in it guiding me on what I'm supposed to say or anything, but I really love that. It's kind of like a blank canvas, and if you can see, it says life is an adventure, and then enjoy the view, and I really just love that. So I decided I was going to document pretty much what happens to me on trail, and I started this last night actually. I got some stickers and stuff like that to put in there, and I started writing a little bit in it last night. But after this morning, and I felt so angry, pretty much. I didn't feel like I was in the right headspace to be out here. I want to document how I feel about that now. With this notebook, decided I wanted to try to get a sticker. I know that not every trail that I go to is that I'll be able to get one, but I wanted to try to get a sticker. Let's see, there it is, for each trail that I do, and put in the book, and that part I will share with you. So I'm gonna just turn to the back here, and actually, you know what, I'm gonna start on the back cover. Boom. So I'm gonna write in my book before I head home, And I want you to leave me a comment. While I'm writing in this, I want you to leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite hike so far is. Have you been doing the 52 hike challenge? If not, just tell me what your favorite hike is and what your favorite thing in your backpack is. I'm interested to know what people carry in their backpacks. Okay. I apologize for probably what is a strange format for this video. I'm still getting used to my camera. I had to change the batteries a couple of times today, so at this moment in time, I'm not really sure what this is going to look like. I hope it was nice. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you would like to follow along on the rest of my 52 hike journey this year, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would absolutely love it if you would give it a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss any of the episodes, ring that bell. Hike number 1 is done, y'all. I'll see you on number 50. Nope. I'll see you on number 2. Ooh, that sounds terrible. I'll see you on hike 2. That sounds a little better. I won't see you on number 2. No poop jokes in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.